bring their triple A game to this film. And Ranveer, what he did for 2 years, I've seen this man. I mean, wow, I have seen him. I'm so proud of him because it's not easy. What he did. I did not see Ranveer even once in the frame. It was always Hamza. And that was incredible. Okay, Maddie, it's the first time I'm working with him. Unfortunately, we don't have any scenes together. But I remember the first day I went to Dhurandhar set was in Bangkok. और बारिश हो रही थी बाहर और मैडी वॉज शूटिंग और मैं गया बोले कौन है एक्टर यार कमाल का एक्टर है बड़े अच्छे से डायलॉग वगैरह दे रहा है मुकेश ने तो कमाल की कास्टिंग कर दी है ओके एंड इट वाज मैडी आई डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज हिम ही इज फिनोमिनल ओके इन द फिल्म मेरे दो भाई अक्षय और संजू सर उन दोनों का वीजा नहीं लगा तो वो नहीं आ पाए आज बट आई मिस देम एंड अक्षय इज एब्सोल्युटली मैड इन द मूवी संजू सर इज फिनोमिनल ओके राकेश सर यू हैव बीन ब्रिलियंट Sarah you had the best launch and if I'm missing out anybody I'm really sorry but really I want to thank this whole team for giving us something very special. Thank you Aditya, thank you Jyoti once again. This movie is a movie which is going to go on timelessly for ages. हम चले जाएंगे ये पिक्चर रहेगी.
तो एक जॉनर ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग मुझे लगता है इंडियन सिनेमा में खत्म हो जाएगा और मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूं क्योंकि जब मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा था इस लुक के लिए तो हम काफी देर तक लगे हुए थे कुछ 3.5-4 घंटे लगते थे उस लुक में आने के लिए और फिर मैं अपने आप को देख रहा था और हमें लग रहा था कि एक चीज कुछ मिसिंग है एक चीज मिसिंग है जिसकी वजह से एक सिमिलरिटी जो हमें चाहिए थे वो मिल नहीं रहा था और फिर आदित्य ने आके कहा कि मैडम अपने होंठ पतले कर लो उन्होंने कहा कि होंठ पतले कर लो तो पूरे फिल्म में मैंने होंठ पतले कर और फिर जो रिजेम्बलेंस आई है एक छोटी सी वजह से वो पूरा चेंज हो गया एंड फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि मैं महारथी हूं नहीं मैं धुरंधरों के साथ काम कर रहा हूं सारे एंड फॉर मी इट हैज बीन अ कंप्लीट ऑनर प्रिविलेज एंड if I may say, shitting in my pant moment because each one of them is such an extraordinary actor. You have to be very careful about not letting your balls down. Literally, you have to play the game. And for me, I have to thank Mukesh Chhabra for having the vision, and Aditya Dhar for casting me, and Lokesh for making it happen, and to this rocket over here who's standing behind like a tycoon behind, like a typhoon behind all of us. But like I said, we will say all the thank yous and all the gratitudes once the film is released. We get many opportunities, I'm sure, for parties like this. But I have to tell you, it's been a complete privilege to work with all my brothers here who are darlings and to this super rock star who has invested not just his time, dedication, life. I can't tell you all that he's invested, but I'm going to tell you, Ranveer, this is going to be the biggest payback of your life.
We love you, Maddie, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all of that.
She's also one of the Dhurandhars in the film.
They were almost, Mukesh had done almost 1,300 auditions. And she was the one, she was brilliant. She was the best in those auditions.
Wow. That means a lot about you, Sarah.
Yeah, she's going to be a rock star.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार बनती. If your dreams don't scare you, they're not big enough. You know, that could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir, Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today, and it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. You know, bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the motion picture heroes from the 90s, copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special. Sir, आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया मैं
Everyone for coming here again. मैं बार-बार बुलाते रहती हूँ, but इस बार, you know, it's something else only. I think 30 साल से फिल्में बना रही हूँ मैं, and सबके साथ पहले भी बहुत सारी फिल्में बना चुकी हूँ, and success भी पाया है, except you, and hopefully this is one of many. But I think जो हम बोलते हैं words career defining, clutter breaking, genre bending, हम बहुत सारी चीजें theoretically बोलते हैं, but one has seen it come to life. क्योंकि real बारूद तो ये आदमी है, you know, he has sort of taken all that fire that was built in him for the last 7 years, and we've been working for a very long time on several stories that he has produced, and he was working on this one, and all that fire, all that angst, all that, you know, any words will fail to describe what we experienced. So ये picture नहीं है, हम सब ने कुछ experience किया है बनाते हुए, and we are very excited to unleash it to the world. As an Indian, you know, I believe that movies have a lot of influence, and we sit in positions of responsibility to tell stories that are meaningful and that have a lot of purpose. And this one, while it entertains such that it's going to blow your mind, it also has a lot of purpose, and it makes me proud as an Indian to have told this story. You know,
from the front with such passion that it was infectious, it was contagious, and I'm only ever so grateful to you, sir. You didn't, not for a second did Arjun ki aankh hoti hai na. So that's how you've gone about this film, sir. We were at a very similar stage in life when we met for this film. Over the past 2 years, we've both grown together. He had a baby boy, I had a baby girl, you know, and we worked out of our skin to make sure that, you know, our people, our team, our families, our audience are proud of what we've made over here. When we were talking about it in that same stage, I said, sir, ये ऐसी हिंदी सिनेमा में बनी नहीं है. He's like, I know that, bro. I know that. That's exactly what I'm trying. तो ये है लंबी छलांग और आपने जो मारी है सर, जो मारी है. मतलब we used to discuss, यार एक टाइम पे एक फिल्म सिकारियो बनी थी, Zero Dark 30, Munich, American Gangster. मतलब we want to be counted amongst the most elite installments in the genre in the world. And we are Hindi cinema, we are Indian cinema, and we are here to make our country proud.
शक्ली हो जाता because he's so sweet, you know, every time you meet him he's like very very, you know, nice to you. ऐसे हमें आदत नहीं है सर, मतलब थोड़ा टशन देना चाहिए आपने भी, लेकिन यहाँ पे with that smile, please tell us, you know, we all loved the teaser and now with this trailer you've outdone yourself like completely. So what do you have to say? The hype is real. ये सिर्फ छाती बजा के हम बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं, we are actually showing it on that big screen. Talk to us about it, sir.
So when we started this journey, there was a gap of almost 5 years that I hadn't made a film, and when I started writing it, somehow I started getting, and thanks to Mukesh Chabra, when we started casting, when Ranveer came on board, he started casting. Somehow we started getting hold of people who were there to prove them. हमारी टीजर में एक डायलॉग है, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ, वो सब घायल थे. एंड उन्होंने जो परफॉर्म किया, इतने घातक तरीके से परफॉर्म किया, हर एक ने, हर एचओडी ने इतने ब्रिलियंट तरीके से परफॉर्म किया. इट्स एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. एवरीबडी हैज पुट देयर हार्ट एंड सोल इनटू दिस फिल्म. इट डजंट हैपन वेरी ऑफन. लाइक कई बार होता है कि एचओडीज गेट इनटू अ प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज देयर इज मनी इज गुड, कई बार दे गेट इनटू अ प्रोजेक्ट बिकॉज इट्स प्रेस्टिजियस. दिस वाज अ प्रोजेक्ट जिसमें एब्सोल्यूट प्योर इंटेंट, एक्टर्स से लेके एचओडी से लेके इवन असिस्टेंट से लेके इवन स्पॉट दादा तक, everybody was like कि यार इस फिल्म के लिए जान देंगे. We have worked 16 hours, 18 hours continuously for 1.5 years, and not even once has anybody complained कि सर आप हमसे ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं. Everybody has given their 100%. Absolutely, and that's how this film happens.
So मैम ने बोला ना आप ऐसा एक बार लेते हो अंदर और उसके बाद लपेट लेते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर वही होने वाला है. You have to say it on the mic.
I said we also didn't complain कि ज्यादा पैसे लग रहे हैं.
कर दी उन्होंने काम की बात. Please tell us, sir, there's another thing. You know, मैंने सुना है आपने इसकी पूरी मेकिंग को you've called it an act of God. So you have to talk about that. थोड़ा elaborate कीजिए और साथ ही you know he's one of those storytellers ladies and gentlemen जो कि शायद फिल्में बनाना, भारतीय फिल्में बनाना, उन्हें ग्लोबल लेवल तक पहुंचाना.
स्टैंड हुई थी जहाँ पे क्राउचिंग टाइगर हिडन ड्रैगन चाइना के लिए स्टैंड हुई थी. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू रीच दैट पोजिशन जहाँ पे हम जब खड़े होंगे तो पूरी दुनिया देखेगी कि हिंदुस्तान से बहुत ही इंटरनेशनल लेवल की फिल्म है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट्स एंटरटेनिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक आप मतलब उसको आर्ट हाउस के कैटेगरी में नहीं डाल रहे हो. आप एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म बना रहे हो, पूरी दुनिया के लिए बना रहे हो. एंड दैट हैज ऑलवेज बीन द इंटेंट. सेकंड इज वी I don't know about me, but I know that my team went on to God mode in this film. My actors went, each and every scene, my actors were in it 24/7. Be it Arjun sir, Maddie sir, Rakesh sir, Sara, Ranveer, Akshay sir, Sanju sir, everybody was like on board with this film.
मैं एक बात कहना चाहूंगा. हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे और पैकअप हो गया रणवीर का. थोड़ी देर में देखा कि एक असिस्टेंट जो है पूरा क्राउड मैनेज कर रहा है टोपी पहन के. मैंने कहा इतना अच्छा कौन कर रहा है काम. बाद में मालूम पड़ा रणवीर वहीं बैठा हुआ, गया ही नहीं वापस. ये ही वाज असिस्टिंग यू नो. बहुत देर तक ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 घंटे तक ही वाज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट एन असिस्टेंट शुड डू. दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ कमिटमेंट रणवीर शोड दिस.
This is one of those films where you know you'll do anything for the shot.
Absolutely.
Anything for the shot. And when that
पूरी टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां because the way they entertained us, of course, the beauty is intimate. We will love it, ladies and gentlemen. आइए इधर कितना जोर बन गया.
Get ready.
Of course, Shashwat is here. He's giving the music, ladies and gentlemen. We get to watch this spectacular, whatever this is, that's going to blow your minds away, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is not just a movie. Ranveer.
said it right, right.
This is when we get to see the movie in theaters. And as I said, ये सिर्फ मूवी नहीं है, ये कुछ और है. और क्या है? थिएटर में जाके ही पता लगेगा.